Tip of the week is taking courses over the summer as an incoming freshman. Just as a reminder, incoming freshmen cannot take Cal Poly courses unless it is associated to a specialized program for freshmen, such as Quarter Plus or Summer Institute. One way students can receive course credit before starting at Cal Poly is taking summer courses at a community college. Students can use Assist as a resource, which is the official transfer and articulation system for California's public colleges and universities. Assist can map out course articulation with Cal Poly and the college students plan on taking summer classes at. You can also visit the Office of the Registrar at Cal Poly to learn more about how to navigate the Assist database based off of the different requirements that we have. You can also learn about different options, including out of state, using our different college advising resources, as well as the Mustang Success Center. If you are planning on taking summer classes, make sure to submit transcripts for any completed and or in progress courses by July 15th, so our advising team can review your work when blocking you into classes your first quarter. To submit transcripts, if you visit our admissions webpage, there is an accepted first-year students checklist, and there is a page that talks about how to submit transcripts and other documents. Links to Assist and information about GE requirements, sending in transcripts, overall advising at Cal Poly will be found in the description below. Another way to get course credit before you officially start at Cal Poly is participating in Quarter Plus. Quarter Plus is a 4-week Cal Poly program that offers 8 units of academic credit prior to fall quarter. The program also offers group activities and study sessions in order for students to succeed in an accelerated program and have a sense of belonging. Check out the quarterplus.calpoly.edu webpage for more information on how to apply and what type of courses and activities are offered. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to having you join the Mustang family.